The chandelier is secure. How are the lights?
Synchronized and fully stable across the lounge.
Panels are aligned.
How's the alignment on the chandelier looking?
Almost centered, just a slight turn to the left.
We're ready for the next glass panel over here.
According to the blueprint, this section here is where the main support beam is compromised.
All right, we'll start shoring that up first.
According to the plans, the main support is here. We'll start the scaffolding on the lower deck.
Start the bracing sequence on the left side. We need to stabilize the lower deck first.
Got it. Setting up the laser levels now.
We need to assess the structural integrity of this joint first. Yes, the corrosion is worse than expected here.
All right, let's clear this section first. Watch the broken glass.
Yeah, I see it. Hey, look at the corrosion on this panel.
We need to get these doors open gently.
Okay, on 3. Push. Wait, careful, there's still a lot of debris right here.
Pull harder on this side.
It's moving a little now.
Clear the debris right here.
Let's clear this section here.
Okay, I'm using the bar on the door.
Watch out, it's moving. Keep pushing.
Careful with that edge. Bring the light over here. Roger that.
Structural integrity compromised near the midsection. Logging coordinates now.
Restoration point marked. Requesting air quality check on the second level.
We've got structural points marked on the lower level. Proceeding to the upper deck now.
I'm marking the beam now.
Copy that. The air quality is slightly improving here.
The staircase looks unstable. We should prioritize securing the upper access points before proceeding.
Make sure you get the detail on that rust near the staircase.
Got it. This panel is loose, but I'll secure it now.
This one is loose. I'm pulling it now. The magnetic mounts are holding well here. I think this wall pattern matches the engravings.
Yes, the colors are very rich. We'll label this container ornamental.
This wood looks salvageable.
Okay, putting this marble piece into cleaning.
This detail is incredible.
The upper levels are accessible, but proceed with caution. The rust is extensive here.
It looks stable enough up to the 3rd floor. We can proceed carefully. It seems stable enough. We should be able to get the equipment up to the 3rd level.
We need to clear this debris carefully. It looks stable enough to proceed to the next level.
All right, I'll set up the lights now.
Seems stable enough, but let's secure the line before the next level.
Copy that. Be careful up there.
Test the 3rd step gently.
Copy that.
The light shows heavy corrosion on the left side.
It seems stable enough right here.
All right, I've got the line secured. Be careful up there.
Watch the railing, it looks corroded.
Careful on this section, it looks unstable.
The railing here is solid.
Rope secured. Careful on this step, it's loose. Secured the line, coming up.
Careful with that step, it's loose. Rope secured on my end.
Try the next circuit now.
Okay, power coming on line 3. Looks stable.
This trim fits here, right? We need it secured before lunch.
All right, this section is secure.
Good. I'm moving to the next panel now. Watch the cables.
Okay, try the next section.
Looks good down here.
Power holding steady. Pull the slack through.
It's secure. Ready for the next run.
The schematic says 3 inches inboard. Okay, adjusting the frame now.
All right, team, let's move to the next row of seats.
Okay, watch the sparks, everyone.
Ease now, easy. Watch the supports.
Almost there. Keep it steady. Need that beam higher on the left.
Got it. Locking it in now.
Be careful with the glass near the edge. Understood. This seat looks almost new underneath.
Okay, bring the panel up slowly on the left side. We need it perfectly aligned with the grid.
Almost there, just a little higher.
Confirm the next section goes right above it.
Lift your end slightly higher.
Okay, I have the alignment. Secure it now.
Align that panel on the mark.
Securing it now.
A little higher on your side. How's that look? We need another clamp over here.
Measure twice before cutting that last piece of trim.
Align the velvet perfectly right here.
Look at that shine. Almost done with this section. Measure twice before cutting that last piece of trim.
Align the velvet perfectly right here.
Look at that shine. Almost done with this section.
Careful with that polish near the new LEDs.
Don't worry, I'm almost done with this section.
The trim fits snugly here.
Okay, slowly to the left. Watch the edge.
Got it. Does this seal look right?
Yes, push it in firmly now. Just a little more to the left.
How do the reflections look on panel C?
Looks centered now. Secure it.
A little more to the left. So there.
Okay, hold it there. Looks centered now.
Careful with the tool right here.
Got it. How does the alignment look on this side?
A little more to the left. Okay, holding steady. Clear on this side.
Okay, the sequence is loaded. Testing the transition now.
Looks good from here. The warm setting is stable.
How is the balance on the chandelier, Jian?
Perfect, Elara. The glow distribution is stable.
Everything looks structurally sound and aesthetically complete. Great work, everyone.
Checklist complete. The railing looks perfect.
Yes, the marble is spotless too.
All right, let's pack it up.
Look at this spot near the trim.
I got it.
Everything else is flawless. Great job, team.
Is the rigging secure?
Yes, Foreman. We're tightening the last ropes now.
Ropes look good, tension is holding.
All right, I'm heading up. Be careful, everyone.
The laser shows stability up to the 4th meter.
All right, I'm securing the ascent line now.
Careful, everyone. The supports look completely compromised near the bulkhead. We need to reroute.
Be careful here, it looks unstable.
Yeah, I'm logging the stress points on the support beam now. Watch your step here, the beam looks unstable.
Got it. Marking Sector 4 as critical support failure.
Watch your step, this section is unstable.
Got it. Marking the stress fractures here and here.
Look at the stress fracture on this beam.
It's barely holding. I'll red tag this section immediately. This whole section is compromised.
All right, mark it for demolition. We can't save it.
According to the map, this beam needs reinforcement.
Secure clamp 7 here.
All right, team, secure those beams on the north side. Watch the instability near the lounge area. Careful with the new rig. Watch the dust. The structure here is compromised.
The new lights are active on the 3rd level. Visibility is much better now.
Over.
Secure that brace and power up the temporary lights on my mark.
Watch the dust. Cuidado con ese lado.
Un poco más a la izquierda, ahí. Rápido, tráeme el siguiente panel.
Based on these readings, the support structure here is unstable. We need to double the reinforcement.
Understood. We'll secure it before the next shift.
Secure that brace on the left.
It's tight. Looks stable up here.
We're ready for the laser scan.
Watch the rope tension.
Command, structural integrity is failing on deck 4. Proceeding slowly.
This is completely compromised. Look at the structural beams here.
Confirmed. We shouldn't proceed without shoring up this section.
Watch the beam coming through on level 4.
Clear the path now.
Lower it slowly, we are almost clear. Watch the beam coming through on level 4.
Clear the path now.
Lower it slowly, we are almost clear.
Watch the sparks on level 4.
Copy that, moving debris now.
Hold the drilling. Structural review in section 3. Watch the sparks on level 4.
Copy that, moving debris now.
Hold the drilling. Structural review in section 3.
Status on the structural support, Team 3?
Almost secured, Supervisor.
Watch the clearance on the plasma torch.
The stress fracture is worse than we thought.
We need to reinforce section gamma immediately. Look at the schematics here.
base, we have significant collapse on the 4th level. Main beams are rusted through. Proceeding with caution.
Careful with that edge, it's heavy.
Almost there. Secure the bottom latch.
Looks good from here.
Powering up the ceiling strips now. Let me know if there's an issue.
The panel is secure, starting the sealant.
The panels on the left side are secure.
Good. We need to check the voltage on these strips now.
All right, I'm heading up to finalize the wiring.
This design work is incredible. It looks like they customized the whole thing.
Yeah, quite the project we got here.
Look at the craftsmanship here.
I'm trying not to damage it with the vacuum.
We need to clear this debris before we can reach that section.
Just a little more on this panel here.
Yeah.
Already on it, looking good.
Almost done with the vacuuming over here.
Taking the next step now. The rust is thick here.
Hold on, shining the light higher up. Looks clear, but proceed slowly.